Hello my viewers, welcome back. I hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to learn very important and interesting topic, that is how to write a letter to the editor. So, I am going to explain important points that we need to remember while writing formal or official letters. Then, I discuss most modern format, solved examples, important tips, and the last part of this video I will provide you some most important phrases and expressions that will help you to write a letter to the editor on any topic. So let's start. A letter to the editor may be written to the editor of a newspaper or a magazine. It is written to highlight a social issue or problem. Okay, now we can learn the most modern format of the letter to the editor. As you know, it is a formal or official letter. It has 8 parts. The first part, from, that means sender's address. The person who sent the letter, his or her address. It must be contained 4 lines. They are name, house number or house name, then particular street or lane or area, and place. Then leave 1 line and write date. Date should be this format. According to the old format, place and date written the right side of the top corner, but now you should write the left side. Okay. Then leave 1 line and write 2. It is receiver's address, the person who received the letter. Here the receiver, editor of the newspaper or magazine. So write the editor, then name of the newspaper and place. These all 3 parts together called heading of the letter. Okay. Then the next part, subject. Subject must convey the main purpose of the letter. It should be 1 line. Next, salutation, sir or madam. The next part of the letter is body of the letters. Body of the letter contain 3 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. After each paragraph, leave 1 line. Okay, now let's learn what is paragraph 1. Paragraph 1 contains introduction. Introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. Paragraph 2 contains full details of the matter. Paragraph 3 contains conclusion. Conclude by mentioning what you expect from the editor. For example, you may want him to highlight the issue or problem in his newspaper or magazine. And the next part, complimentary closing, that is thanking you. The last part of the letter is subscription. How can write the subscription? Yours truly, or yours faithfully, or yours sincerely, and then write the name. But in the exam, you should not mention your name. Instead of your name, you can put into mark. Yes, look at this example. Coronavirus is spreading rapidly. Many people have been attacked. It has pandemic. The number of COVID cases crossed 1 crore in India. But many people are coming out and roaming without wearing mask. Some people are not following social distance. We have no adequate number of hospitals and we will have to face many serious problems if we neglect. Then write a letter to the editor of local newspaper describing the problems and making requests to the concerned authorities to take necessary steps. Okay, now we can write the letter to the editor based on these questions. The first step, write the title of the letter. What is the title of the letter? Letter to the editor. That you should write the top middle part of the answer sheet, and then write the first part of the letter. What is the first part of the letter? You write from the top corner of the left side of the paper. Already we have learned what contains from. From contains 4 lines: name, house number, then street or lane and place. Then leave 1 line and write date. Again leave 1 line and write to the editor, the Indian Express, Guntur, the place. Okay. What is the next step? Subject. Subject must convey the main purpose of the letter. It should be 1 line. So here, increasing number of COVID cases. Okay, the next step is salutation, sir or madam. According to the old format, after the salutation we put comma, but now you should not put comma after the salutation. And next, the most important part of the letter, that is the body of the letter. Body of the letter contains 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph, introduction. How can write introduction here? Okay, I am a resident of Jawahar Nagar colony, Guntur. I am a regular reader of your esteemed newspaper. Through your reputed daily, I would like to draw the attention of authorities concerned towards coronavirus spreading rapidly. Then leave 1 line and write paragraph 2. It is details of the matter. Many people have been attacked. It has pandemic. The number of COVID cases crossed 200 in our locality, and then 10 death cases reported. Though virus spreading rapidly, many people are coming out and roaming without wearing masks. Some people are not following social distance. We have no adequate number of hospitals, and we will have to face many serious problems if we neglect. I lodged a complaint to the police station, but no use. Okay, then leave 1 line and write paragraph 3. It is conclusion. I request you to publish this pandemic situation so that the concerned authorities realize the situation and look into the problem and take necessary action. And the second last step or part is complimentary closing, that is thanking you. The last part of this letter is subscription, that is yours truly. Then put into mark instead of name. Yes, now we can discuss some important phrases and expressions that will help you to write a letter to the editor on any topic. So look at these phrases, very useful for introduction. I wish to express my concern over dash. Here you can fill up the problem. Next one, I want to highlight the problem of. I am writing to you in order to raise the issue. I am writing to you in order to highlight the problem. I wish to draw the attention of the public in general and authorities in particular to the grave problem. Okay, now here is given some important expressions related to conclusion of this letter. Look at these expressions. Therefore, I request you to highlight the issue in your newspaper and generate public interest. I hope you will publish this letter in your newspaper for better future of human beings. So, it is my humble request that you highlight this issue in your newspaper and spread awareness among the people. Media holds the power to take and break the kingdom, and it can definitely urge the government and the public to be more responsible dash towards problems. Here you can fill up the problems. Okay. From these phrases and expressions, you can select according to the problems or situations given in the questions. Now, I hope you are able to write a letter to the editor on any topic. I will see you soon with another interesting video. Thank you for watching.